How to read a smart meter, a step-by-step guide. Understanding smart meters. Smart meters are revolutionizing the way we consume energy. These digital devices provide real-time information about your energy usage, helping you make informed decisions and potentially save money. However, reading a smart meter can be confusing if you are not familiar with the process. The basics of smart meter readings. While smart meters vary in appearance and functionality, the core principle remains the same. You are looking for a specific screen that displays your energy consumption in kilowatt-hours, kWh. This is the unit used to measure electricity usage. Identifying the kWh screen. The exact method for finding the kWh screen may differ depending on your meter's brand and model. Here are some common approaches. Buttons and navigation. Many smart meters have buttons that allow you to scroll through different screens. Look for a screen with a row of numbers followed by kWh. Display icons. Some meters use icons or symbols to represent different readings. The kWh reading might be indicated by a lightning bolt or a house with a power code. Manual reference. If you are unsure, consult your meter's user manual or contact your energy provider for guidance. Reading the kWh value. Once you have located the kWh screen, reading the value is straightforward. The numbers will typically appear in a row, from left to right. Note down the entire sequence, including any decimal points. Interpreting the kWh reading. Your kWh reading represents the total amount of electricity you have consumed during a specific period. This information can be used to track your energy usage patterns, identify areas for improvement, and potentially reduce your energy costs. Additional tips for reading smart meters. Regular readings. To monitor your energy consumption effectively, take readings at regular intervals, such as once a week or month. Time of use tariffs. If your energy provider offers time of use tariffs, be aware of peak and off-peak hours. Adjust your energy usage accordingly to save money. Meter issues. If you encounter any problems with your smart meter, contact your energy provider for assistance. By understanding how to read your smart meter, you can gain valuable insights into your energy usage and take steps to become a more energy efficient consumer.